Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here. I have this VMASSTONE, well it's a shower head. So we have a shower that puts out very bad water. So this is hopefully going to solve that problem. Not very bad water, it puts out very slow water. So here we go, this is it. This is a beefy shower head. It's gonna have different settings to do. And it looks like it's got, is this gonna be like some sort of a distribution thing here? Oh, it's got the little filter thing going on in it here. Oh, look at that. It's got a little filter, so it's going to give you good filtered water as well. How cool is that? So that's going to set up, and it comes with the little water filter thingy that you can put on there if you have yucky water. It comes with some Teflon tape, and it comes with that other little distributor as well if you want those, if you need to do low flow. I like full flow, so for me, I'm not going to do that. But we're going to go ahead and set this up, and I'll show you what it looks like on the shower. Okay, you're gonna see how easy it is to do. I just started screwing it on. You screw it on. Mine already had Teflon tape from whatever was on here before. So there we go. So now we have a shower head on there. And now, see what happens. So there we go. Oh, I didn't screw it on enough, obviously. But you get the idea. It's got that shower head, that one. Ooh, that's some powerful. That's squirting me everywhere. There. Those types of shower heads. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know, colored water. You can come up. Wow, that's gonna put out a lot of water. And then that in the middle. I think, me personally, I like that one. That's just putting out tons of water. So super cool, super easy. And you saw I just screwed it on. I didn't screw it on tight enough, so that's why it was dripping a little bit. But you know, it just screws on and off, just really easy. So super cool. I like this one.